हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड। सो यहाँ पे एक अपडेट आई है दैट इज बीइंग रेफर टू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशन एंड पेंशनर्स वेलफेयर। सो क्या है पूरा इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट, उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे इसको। सो काइंडली इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू शेयर इट अमंग अदर रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर्स। हो सकता है हमारी उतनी रीच ना हो एंड यू मे बी नोइंग नेक्स्ट 10. So kindly try to share this among other groups also. So let's start. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं लाइट ऑफ कंसर्न क्या है इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, we'll see. So this is the update that is being written. तो यहाँ पे मॉनिटरी बेनिफिट्स हो सकता है पेंशनर्स का एंड 21 अप्रैल 24 की अपडेट है that is being written to the secretary pension गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. तो दोस्तों अगर ये मैटर यहाँ पे पहुँच चुका है तो इट मीन्स इसके ऊपर डिसीजन इन द कमिंग 1 or 2 years हो सकता है, बिकॉज अदर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हैव स्टार्टेड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग. टू द फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी एंड सेक्रेटरी एक्सपेंडिचर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर. तो क्या है पूरा माजरा. भारत पेंशनर समाज इज राइटिंग टू हाईलाइट significant flaws in the fixation of commutation factor CF for the central government pensioners and urge for restoration of commuted portion of pension after 15 years instead of current after 12 years instead of current 15 years. The current commutation factor domination as per the Central Civil Services Commutation of Pension Rules 1981 lacks adequacy and fairness due to several outdated parameters and methodologies. So despite changes in interest rate, mortality rates and life expectancy over the past decade, the existing rules have not been revised accordingly. So BPS emphasized the following key concerns. First is the outdated parameters. The commutation tables are based on outdated data, especially the LIC table 94-96 with the interest rate of 8% effective from 2nd September 2008. The approach fails to reflect current economic realities and demographic trends. Respected sir, Bharat Pensioner Samaj is writing. So second is the improper recovery period. Current recovery period of 15 years is unjustified as the actual recovery period is less than 11 years. The result in excessive recovery causing financial strain. Need for financial periodic revision. Commutation table should not be reconstructed every 5 years to align with changes in RP repo rates, market interest rates, life expectancy and mortality rates. Discrepancies in CF calculations and in reduction of commuted amount by 16.5% for pensioners retiring after 2nd August 2008 compared to those retired before. Last is the restoration of commuted portion. The current policy of restoring the commuted portion of pension after 15 years is inequitable. Recommendations for restoration after 12 years have been made by expert bodies like the Department of Pension and Pension Welfares, but we have not accepted by the Finance Ministry. So in light of these concerns, we urge for the following actions: reconstruction of commutation table effective from 2008 onwards, considering factors such as recovery period of 12 years, mortality rates by institutes of actuaries of India, life expectancy by the Census Department, and interest rate based on GPF rates or RBI repo rates. Restoration of commuted portion of pension after 12 years instead of current 15 years in line with recommendations made by expert bodies. BPS believe that these reforms are essential to ensure fairness and adequacy in pension provisions for retired government employees who have dedicated their lives to public service. So your attention to the matter is earnestly requested and we hope for a favorable resolution. So this is the, आई थिंक ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक यहाँ पे बन चुका है। कॉम्पिटिशन का 15 ईयर का जो टाइम पीरियड है वो लंबा है इन कंपैरिजन टू द डिडक्शंस, वो ऑलमोस्ट 12 ईयर्स में कंप्लीट हो रही है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अभी डिमांड ये है अभी उसे 12 ईयर्स में कंप्लीट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज पहले इंटरेस्ट रेट्स हाई थे, अभी इंटरेस्ट रेट उतने हाई नहीं है, तो इससे जो एक्सेसिव डिडक्शंस हो रही हैं वो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रेन डाल रही हैं ओवर द पेंशनर्स. So that's all. So this very important update. So kindly share this important update and subscribe to channel, and you can help us by clicking the join button as well as by clicking the subscribe button. So that's all. Take care all respected senior pensioners.